Here's a half up wedding hairstyle. So we've had a few requests from our followers to do some more wedding hairstyles, especially some half up ones. So this one is going to be an easy one. You can do yourself from home if you have a wedding this year. So to start with, we are going to be curling Poppy's hair. So to curl her hair, she has really, really long hair. So we've got the Babyliss curling wand here. You can get them off Amazon. This one is the extra long one for longer hair. So if you have a longer hair length, I recommend this one because it's really good for curling the hair and it gets it really nice and tight. So I used it all over the hair. I did prep the hair with a tiny bit of hairstyling cream actually, just to give the curls a bit of shine, because with Poppy's hair it's quite flyaway, it's quite a little bit frizzy. So even if I curled it, it can still be quite fuzzy. So I used that on it here. You can also, spray the hair with a bit of hairspray and then curl it if you want those rock solid curls. But I tend to not do that with Poppy's hair. I just feel like it doesn't really suit it if you have kind of rock solid curls and then the top is more soft looking, if you know what I mean. So we curled it with these. So when you're curling the hair and you come round to more of the front sections, you want to be curling the hair away from the face. So I know not everyone is very experienced with curling hair, so you want to get it away from the face, and you also want to avoid getting any what I call a fish hook. So sometimes with your curling wand, the heat doesn't quite get to the end. So like this curl, for instance, you want to be taking it and just taking it round once more to get that really defined curl. You don't want it really curly mid-length and then flopping at the bottom, and it's less likely to last. If you have hair also that doesn't curl very well and just comes out, the curl is really easy, you can get like a powder. So it's like a texturizing powder. If you put that in the hair hair that doesn't curl, it will last all day. So we're going to take out the two front pieces of Poppy's hair with this hairstyle, and then we're going to take the rest of it back. So I comb it back away from the face, and then we're just going to take a section at the very side there. So it just kind of goes horizontally down and forms a nice shape. You don't want it too low down where the back of the hair is, because you don't want it dragging on the hair. So yeah, just the side of the ears. Take that piece of hair and twist it. So when you do your twists, we're going to be twisting the hair back on both sides. So twist it in the same direction on both the sides. So with this, we're twisting up. Twist it all the way back and then use a sectioning clip to hold the first piece of the hair. So pop that in, try to keep it really neat, and then you're going to go to the other side and twist that back. So like I say, twist it upwards, make sure the twist is the same way, otherwise it just doesn't look right and it'll look silly. Take both those twists then, so take the clip out carefully, try not to mess up the top of the hair. So you need the top of the hair really neat when you do this, and then you're going to tie the two twists together. So once they're tied together, I pull it out a little bit, not too much. Poppy's hair is quite fine at the front, so you can't pull it out too much, but on thicker hair you can. Then we're going to pop in two curvy grips. So pop them in so they face inwards and they overlap each other. So they're overlapping that hair and they're actually quite strong in. Pinch the hair out a tiny bit, just so, if you want to fluff it up, or leave it if you're not that confident. It will still look really nice. Take the clip out the front of the hair and just let those two little pieces hang loose. And then, because this is a child's hair, two curvy grips, they won't even make it down the aisle. Okay, it will just be coming out, I'm sure. So to keep this secure, we're going to use these butterfly clips. I got these off Temu. They're little metal ones, so you want the metal ones, not fabric clips. Fabric clips will just slide out. We're using this to give really good grip, so they will grip that hair in place. So grip them into the twisted hair as well as the hair in the sort of head. So it will keep the hair down that's loose at the top, and it will keep those twists in place. I just kind of, I don't know, with my curls, I just mess them up a little bit and just take them so it doesn't look like they've just all been wrapped around the wand basically, and just soften them. And there you have a very beautiful wedding hairstyle. And we do have more wedding hairstyles coming up on our series, so if you'd like to see more, then please subscribe. We'll be doing a lot more half up, half down hairstyles, and this one is just perfect for the older bridesmaids. Hope you like it, and please subscribe for more. Bye.